Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, what you're looking at is the final home for that double reduction motor that arrived today. Went through all the locomotives. I picked this 994 up sometime last year, and it's finished in brass, as you see. It's quite unique. And in any case, it had a single reduction motor in it, and figured I'd go ahead and throw this double reduction motor in it. It's really simple to do it. Had to swap out the front crossbar, of course. It's bigger in the 994. Anyway, the 994 is the largest, physically largest locomotive that Marx made. And as you see, I have it on this Lionel Consist with 16 cars. And it fits right in as far as size goes. So anyway, I'm going to take this around. This is going to be its first trip around the rail. The Marx 994 with the new double reduction motor. You notice I have not swapped out the push rods yet. That's pulling 16 Lionel cars. And that's right at 50% power. So as you see, that runs absolutely splendidly. And it's the perfect way to upgrade from a plastic locomotive to a rather impressive locomotive as far as Marx goes. This is the 994. The largest locomotive that Marx made. Of course, it's nothing but a big empty steel stamping with a standard motor in it. But with that double reduction motor in it, you can do a lot more with it. It has a lot more pulling power, as you see. And it's big. It's an impressive sized locomotive. Anyway, that motor was $10 and about a half hour of my time basically just getting it cleaned up. It was just horrendously filthy. And it's running like new. Even has the original light bulb in it. So anyway, that's the new home for that motor. So I have an upgraded 994 that's running absolutely splendidly, pulling a really heavy consist, in this case 16 Lionel cars with a lighted tender. So as I stress, don't overlook the junk. Like I said, you can build some really decent stuff out of junk you can find on eBay. As you see, that runs just absolutely perfectly. So it looks nice, it runs good, it has a new motor in it, that being a relative term. Double reduction and running like new. So just a quick follow-up. This will be the last one now that this motor has its new home. I just wanted to do a video showing what's possible. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.